Trombone's awesome. If you've never played trombone, you gotta take that opportunity. If you ever listen to classical, jazz, mariachi and valve trombone, you got ska, you got so many different kinds of awesome music you can play trombone with. Not only is it easy to play on the throat, it's easier on the pressure with your embouchure and with the mouthpiece to your face. It just feels good. In fact, if you become a monster on bass trombone and you're playing these pedals way, way down there, you get this like really awesome natural high if you're practicing a lot. Check it out. There's all kinds of great models. Edwards, Bach, I mean, just name it, Conn. Stay away from the ISOs, so instrument-shaped objects. But there are some great ones out there. There's some great performers. You can listen to professional musicians, whether it's at a church, you can go to concerts. Check out the free military concerts. They're awesome. They really know their instrument. And believe it or not, you may get inspired to do a little practicing yourself. With that said, check it out, support your musicians. I'll catch you next time.